Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a Financial Complaints KPI dashboard in Tableau so you can monitor customer issues, track trends, and make better business decisions using clear visual insights. To start, open Tableau and connect to your Financial Complaints dataset. This data might include complaint dates, product types, issue categories, customer response times, and resolution status. Once the data is loaded, review the fields to make sure everything is clean and correctly formatted, especially dates and numeric values. Next, begin building the key visualizations that will power your KPI dashboard. Create a trend chart showing the number of complaints over time so you can quickly see increases or decreases each month. Then, build a bar chart that breaks down complaints by product or service category to identify which areas generate the most customer issues. You can also create a chart that shows complaint status, such as open, in progress, or resolved, to understand operational performance. Now, design the KPI summary metrics. Add big, clear indicators for total complaints, resolved complaints, average resolution time, and customer satisfaction score if available. These headline KPIs should appear at the top of the dashboard so decision makers can understand performance within seconds. After creating the visuals, open a new dashboard and start arranging everything. Place the KPI indicators across the top, trend charts in the center, and category breakdowns or status charts toward the bottom or side. Keep spacing clean and consistent so the dashboard looks professional and easy to read. To make the dashboard interactive, add filters such as date range, product category, complaint type, or region. This allows managers to explore specific time periods or business segments and instantly see how complaint behavior changes. Make sure filters are clearly labeled and easy to use. You can also enhance insights by adding highlights or color rules. For example, use warning colors when complaints rise above a threshold or when resolution time becomes too slow. Visual cues like this help teams react quickly to potential problems. Once everything is arranged, switch to presentation mode and review the full dashboard experience. Test the filters, confirm the KPIs update correctly, and make final layout adjustments to ensure the story is clear and actionable for business users. And that's how you create a Financial Complaints KPI dashboard in Tableau, from connecting data and building visuals to designing KPIs and adding interactivity for real business insights. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more data analytics, Tableau, and business intelligence tutorials.